everyone, welcome back to Learn Python with Moise. My name is Moise and today we're going to learn our first Python command, the print function. The print function is very important because it lets us show messages on the screen. It's really easy to use. Let me show you how. But before we do that, we have to create a Python file, preferably name it main.py. Py is a Python extension and tells the interpreter that this is a Python file. Now type in print hello world. Now look, if I run this by clicking the run button, hello world is printed on the screen. Now it's your turn. Your challenge is to use the print function to show your name and your favorite hobby. Here's a hint. It should look something like this. Whoopsie daisies. Always remember to keep your syntax correct. My name is Moise. Somewhere around there. Pause the video now. Okay, guys, let's see. Did you get it like this? My name is Moise and I like to code. Well then, next I'll talk about data types and variables. Variables and data types are the major building blocks of any program. Variables are like containers that hold information. Think of variables like buckets that hold information. Just like you have different buckets to store different things like water, sand, or toys, you can have different variables to store different pieces of information. For example, one bucket or variable can hold your age, and another bucket can hold your name. Like this, age equals 11. Now, the number 11 is assigned to the variable age. The same way, name is equal to Moise. Now, Moise is assigned to name. There's another type. Whoops, a typo. This I'm now going to assign to a boolean. A boolean is either true or false. Now we can put these all together in a print function. Print I am, comma, age, comma, years old. There are many different types of data in Python. The main ones are strings, which is text, booleans, which are true or false, and integers, which are whole numbers. Now, your challenge is to create 3 variables, one for your name, one for your age, and one for your favorite subject in school. Then use the print function to print them all together in a sentence. Pause the video now. Okay, now let me show you. First, my favorite subject. My favorite subject is coding, so I'll do coding. Next, my age is 11 and my name is Moise. Now I'll put them all together by saying print my name is, comma, name, comma, I, full stop, I am age, years old. And last but not least, my favorite subject in school is, my favorite subject in school is favorite subject. Okay, now let's test it out by clicking the play button over here. I hope you got an output like I did. Now please like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.